Ever feel your light dim under someone's weight, like you're losing yourself just to keep them close? The Stoicism mindset is a simple way to walk away strong, stay silent, and let your strength pull them to chase you. Let's take back your strength, rebuild your Stoic Reign, and discover how the Stoicism mindset helps you rise above toxic drama with easy Stoic quotes, practical Stoicism exercises, and real stories to boost your mental health, motivation, and self-improvement. The Stoicism mindset starts with a truth as clear as day. Walking away from a toxic presence is how you show yourself respect. These draining behaviors can come from anyone, but the Stoicism mindset gives you tools to stay strong. Staying stuck in a relationship that zaps your energy, shakes your confidence, or pulls you off track hurts your productivity and mental health. Science says toxic ties raise stress hormones, clouding your mind and spiking anxiety. The Stoicism mindset helps you break free, using silence to guard your Stoic Reign. Meet Zara, a 29-year-old graphic designer from Chicago. Her partner's drama drained her creativity, making her feel like a stranger in her own life. "I stopped painting," she says. Discovering Stoicism for beginners, Zara walked away quietly, rediscovering her art's joy. Her story inspires anyone craving Stoicism motivation to rebuild themselves. The Stoicism mindset is all about controlling your mind and actions, not their mess. A wise thinker once said, "You control your mind, not the world." In Stoicism, relationships walking away isn't giving up, it's choosing yourself. A toxic presence feeds off your attention, your texts, your time, your energy. When you stop giving it with the Stoicism mindset, you shake their world, leaving them to chase your strength. Another wise saying goes, "It's not what happens but how you handle it." Your silence speaks loud, guiding you to mindfulness and Stoicism on love. Take Diego, a 34-year-old teacher from Austin. His partner's mind games made him doubt his worth, silencing his passion for teaching. Stoicism for beginners helped him walk away, bringing joy back to his classroom. "I found my voice again," he says, living Stoic Reign. What happens when you walk away with the Stoicism mindset? The Stoicism mindset shows how a toxic presence might react, feeling shock, doubt, or excuses, each step teaching you Stoicism lessons to stay strong. First, they feel shock and act like it's no big deal. The Stoicism mindset knows your attention was their fuel. When you cut it off, they're rattled, posting happy selfies on X or saying, "I'm fine." They'll test you, a quick like, a text like, "Hey, you good?" These aren't care, they're traps. A Stoic quote says, "Don't let outside noise steal your calm. Stay silent, block their number, mute their posts, and write down why you left." Focus on Stoicism daily habits like a morning run or reading Stoic quotes. Meet Lila, a 27-year-old nurse from Denver. Her partner demanded endless attention, draining her care for others. Stoicism motivation kept her silent, pouring energy into her patients. "Their tricks didn't pull me back," she says, lifting her mental health. Loving these Stoicism mindset tips? Join our Stoic Reign family. Hit subscribe and share in the comments. What toxic tie have you cut loose? The Stoicism mindset shows doubt and envy in the next stage. As your silence grows, their confidence shakes. A toxic presence expects you to beg. But your Stoicism mindset changes the game, making them wonder, was I enough? Are they happier now? If they see you thriving, a new job, a fitter you, a calm vibe, envy kicks in. They might check your profiles or show off online, but it's all fake. The Stoicism mindset keeps you focused. A Stoic saying goes, "Their mess isn't your problem. Their doubts aren't your load." Try a 30-day challenge. Hit the gym 3 times a week, read a Stoic book, or learn something new. Don't post to rub it in. Let your growth shine. Meditate 10 minutes daily for mindfulness, maybe with an app like Calm. If friends bring them up, say, "I'm focused on me." Take Arjun, a 31-year-old tech worker from San Francisco. His partner's guilt trips killed his drive, leaving him restless. Stoicism for beginners helped him walk away, launching a new app. "Their envy didn't faze me," he says, boosting productivity. In the final stage, The Stoicism mindset reveals excuses and escapes. As your absence hits, they protect themselves with stories. They didn't matter. I'm better off. They might jump into a new relationship, picking someone easier to handle, less like you. They post happy pics claiming a new life, but it feels hollow. Your quiet strength sticks with them. The Stoicism mindset keeps you grounded. A Stoic quote says, "We worry more in our heads than in real life." Set a 90-day goal. Start a side hustle, train for a 5K, and plan it out weekly. Join Stoicism communities on X for support. Practice gratitude. Write 3 things you're thankful for daily. If their memory pops up, picture them moving on and say, "I'm free, building my life." Meet Kemi, a 35-year-old lawyer from Atlanta. Her partner's disrespect made her feel small, questioning her strength. Stoicism practice led her to silence, growing her law firm. Their new start was their choice, she says, driving Stoicism. Motivation. The Stoicism mindset turns walking away into your superpower. Physically, silence cuts stress, boosting mental health and easing anxiety. Mentally, you swap chaos for calm, fueling motivation. Emotionally, you find peace, growing Stoicism on love. Spiritually, you live your purpose, following Stoic quotes like, "Don't just talk about being good, be good." The Stoicism mindset builds your future, not their regrets. Their shock, doubt, or excuses are their path, not yours. Your win is a life of focus and Stoic reign. Picture waking up clear, strong, ready. Take Malik, a 32-year-old musician from Nashville. His partner's drama drowned his music, making him feel lost. The Stoicism mindset helped him walk away, dropping a new single. "I play from my heart now," he says, embracing Stoicism for beginners. Or meet Annika, a 30-year-old therapist from Seattle. Her partner's games drained her hope, clouding her work. Stoicism practice led her to silence, expanding her practice. "Silence set me free," she says, advancing self-improvement. Then, there's Elena, a 28-year-old chef from Miami. Her partner's criticism killed her love for cooking, leaving her empty. Stoicism lessons helped her walk away, opening a food truck. "I cook with joy now," she says, radiating Stoic reign. Ready to use the Stoicism mindset to walk away strong and let your silence shine? Here are 6 simple Stoicism exercises for Stoicism for beginners and beyond, designed to grow mental health, mindfulness, and productivity. Clear path. Each morning, write one goal, stay calm today, and picture yourself doing it. This Stoicism exercise boosts motivation. Calm shield. When you want to reply, take 5 deep breaths and ask, "Is this worth my peace?" This Stoicism practice eases anxiety. Strong root. If they message you, wait 10 seconds, say, "I choose my strength," and delete it. Focus on a Stoicism daily task like writing. This builds Stoic reign. Growth spark. Spend 10 minutes daily on something you love, running, drawing, coding, and track your progress. This grows productivity. Truth wave. At night, write one moment you stayed strong and one lesson, linking it to a Stoic quote like, "You control your mind." This drives self-improvement. Joy anchor. List 3 things you're thankful for and turn their drama into a win. Their mess taught me to stand tall. This fits Stoicism on love. Will you stay drained by someone who dims your light, or grab the Stoicism mindset to walk away strong, letting your confidence light the way? Simple Stoic wisdom and everyday heroes like Zara, Diego, Lila, Arjun, Kemi, Malik, Annika, and Elena chose silence and purpose. Your challenge: for 21 days, cut contact and try one Stoicism exercise daily. Write down your wins, new habits, clear moments, or goals you've crushed. Share with a friend or our community. See yourself in 3 weeks. Calm, bold, owning your Stoic reign. A Stoic saying goes, "You're not free if you're trapped by your feelings." The Stoicism mindset is your guide, your silence, your strength. Shaping Stoicism relationships and Stoicism motivation. It's Stoicism for women, Stoicism on love, and Stoic Reign for everyone. Love this Stoicism mindset journey? Join our Stoic Reign family. Subscribe for weekly Stoicism lessons to boost mental health, ease anxiety, and grow self-improvement. Tell us in the comments, which Stoicism exercise will you try today to build your Stoic Reign? From Zara's art to Diego's teaching, Lila's care to Arjun's tech, Cami's justice, Malik's music, Annika's healing, and Elena's flavors, the Stoicism mindset changes lives. Their shock, envy, or excuses are their story. Yours is all about purpose. Make one choice. Grab the Stoicism mindset, walk away strong, and let your Stoic Reign shine bright.